Today, I'm checking out Chef's Temp's Finaltouch X10 instant read thermometer. Here's the features on this thing. When you open it up, it has a stainless steel tip with the temperature sensor right in the end of the probe. It has a large readout LCD display and a hold button on it. This thing is pretty cool because you can take and rotate it all the way 260 degrees so you can temp from either side. They say it's for lefties. I'm ambidextrous, so I say it's for me. The plastic on it has an anti-pathogen coating to prevent pathogens from growing over time. Also, you don't really have to worry about that with the probe because it is stainless steel. So you just wipe this thing down when you're done with it and put it away, and it's good to go. I've got some chicken on the grill here. Let's check it out and see if they're up to temp yet. All right. Chicken's looking pretty good. Turn this on, you can see the LCD screen here. It's nice and clear. These should be ready. I'm gonna grab my thickest piece of chicken, place the probe in. It's at 180, so that's actually a little bit overdone because I'm looking for 165, but these are pretty thin pieces. All right, I know those two are gonna be done because they're thinner. We'll temp this guy one more time. Yeah, that one's 167, 68. So that's perfect right there. I like it. It's quick, it's easy to use, it's ready to go out of the box. If it does need some calibration, they do have instructions in the box on how to do that, but I didn't have to do that. It's dead on accurate. I'm gonna enjoy using this thing. It also has a magnetic back to it so that you can take and place it on the side of a grill, microwave, whatever. There you go. Chef's Temp Finaltouch X10.